everybody, if you are anything like me, you are so over a lot of this heat that the summer has brought, and it has been a really bad one this year. I have good news because the fall is coming, cooler temperatures are in store, and today we're going to talk about a lot of my favorite things to grow over the fall cool temperatures. Fall is an amazing time to start growing your own food. Not only is it a lot cooler than the summer, there's a lot less pests that you're dealing with, less chaotic weather. There's a lot of great things about fall gardening, and some of my favorite things you can grow in the fall too. So things like greens of all sorts. So there's lettuce, Swiss chard, kale. I could keep going on, but there's a lot of different greens that you can grow in the cool weather. And then a lot of your root crops will be great to grow this season too. So things like carrots, beets, and turnips, those will be really fantastic to grow over the fall. And they taste better too. They taste sweeter whenever you harvest them when the temperatures are cooler. So fall is definitely a great time to go about growing a lot of these foods. We also like growing a lot of things like broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, but right now at this stage, I like to grow the faster versions of those. So I typically stick to the hybrid varieties of broccoli or the sprouting varieties, and same with cabbage. I love to do a bok choy or a pak choy. Depending on where you are, you might call it something different. But I love these because they are little miniature, almost cabbage-like replacements. And they grow these beautiful leaves that are super tasty. I love to grow those as a replacement. And another one of my favorites that you may not have heard of before is kohlrabi. I absolutely love it. It looks super pretty and it tastes really good. It is a super fast growing brassica. So this one you can harvest usually within about 45 days, which is great. And it tastes very similar to a broccoli. So we love having kohlrabis to grow. Fall is a really great time to get started on a lot of your herb collecting. We do a lot of different herbs here. We grow a lot of rosemary, oregano, thyme, and those are ones that can usually withstand winter temperatures, and they will last through the winter, at least here in Zone 7 where we are. I like to take some cuttings from some of our bigger plants and work on propagating them in our grow area that we have indoors and get them started and get them established before I plant them out in the spring. This is also a great time of year to do a lot of preservation and preserving a lot of different herbs, as well as tomatoes and peppers and all of that we've grown this summer. And there's a lot of great and easy ways to go about preserving those. And we have a lot of instructions and videos, all of that on our app. So make sure you check that out under the videos tab. The fall is wonderful too because I'm not dealing with all of the pests that I dealt with this summer. And it was a very pesty summer, so I am so thankful to have a relief from some of the bugs. Our first cold front is supposed to be coming this next week, so fingers crossed for us that it comes in, and I hope that you guys get some cool weather in your future as well. So make sure you follow along with us as we go about planting a lot of our fall season crops. We're going to be posting a lot on our From Seed to Spoon channel as well, so follow along with us. And let me know in the comment section too if you have any favorite fall crops to grow that maybe I didn't mention, so maybe I need to try something out new. And also this August, From Seed to Spoon, we are hosting a giveaway for a $50 shopping spree with Park Seed and a free biodome to plant all your seeds out. So this is a perfect time to get started by going through and going shopping with us to pick out a lot of your favorite fall crops to grow. So make sure you check out our From Seed to Spoon YouTube channel and subscribe to that and comment throughout the month of August to be entered to win. And I highly recommend for you to check out the video that we recorded with Emma. She was one of our winners that we had this last month, and we went seed shopping with her. We talked a lot more in depth about some of these fall crops that we talked about today. So if you are out there overwhelmed with the summer heat and your summer garden has gone out of control, don't worry about it. Start fresh this fall and let's get growing again.